We're here at Denver Water's new fleet maintenance facility where we service and maintain roughly 700 pieces of equipment. We've been in here since 2017. Most of the mechanics in here had a part in designing and requesting what we would like in here and how the whole building was designed. So it's a part of us. This represents us.
At Denver Water, we treat these vehicles as if they were our own and we were going to put our family in them. Safety and reliability are of utmost importance. It's important to have a mechanic shop for Denver Water so that we can keep the trucks that haul the people, the tools, and the equipment and parts to keep water flowing.
We have roughly 700 pieces of equipment, 200 construction equipment, 500 on the light duty side. We also have 60 generators that we maintain and service.
I really enjoy working on the big rigs. We've got a couple low boys here, a couple side dumps. We've got equipment, we can pick them up in the air. Even a guy my size can walk right underneath them. You know, growing up as a kid, I always played with toys like that, and now I'm playing with them in real life, and it's exciting. It's fun to do.
We have heavy equipment mechanics, we have automotive mechanics, we have generator mechanics, we have light equipment mechanics that all came together to form this one fleet team that we have now.
The sense of teamwork here is very strong. Everybody kind of came from different areas, and we all came here and learned to work together.
Our philosophy here in Fleet is preventative maintenance. We try to get ahead of problems before equipment breaks down. We have 3,000 miles of pipe in the system, so it's critical to be able to respond to the dams, the treatment facilities, any location in the city to make repairs.
I think I speak for everybody here that we're very proud of what we do. I really like feeling like I belong someplace and that I matter and my work matters.
I love that.